Hello dear viewer, welcome to my Photoshop tutorial. My name is Mike and today we are going to look at Photoshop basics. Let's launch our Photoshop. Then we are going to roll through the Photoshop basics in two phases. Part 1, create a new document. Here are the preset details of the document. Let's name the title as Mike. Then the size, we are having options which are pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points and pickers. For I will use centimeters at the moment. Let's give a document 17 width and 5 height, and then under the orientation we are going to select portrait. The resolution, label them 300. The background, here we have options, but for me I will use the white background and then go to create. So this is our preset document. Then part 2, importing. Let's import our document or our image. It can be imported in two ways, directly and indirectly. Then for directly, we move to the location manually and get the picture into the workspace. Then indirectly, we press Ctrl plus O to open the document and then move to the location of our object, tap on it and then press open. Then part 3, the software interface. In the software interface we have the tools panel, and then there are details of the document in the right, and if the details you want are not there in the software interface, go to the Windows panel and then mark on it. Then part 4, we are going to talk about the basic tools. First is the move tool, or you can call it a select tool depending on the Photoshop that you are using. This is just for moving and selecting the object. The second tool is the regular marquee tool. This is used to select a specific part like this. After selecting, press Shift plus Ctrl plus I or move to the select panel, then select inverse. Just this is to select or to inverse the unselected part. Then press delete to remove the unselected part. After, you can press Ctrl plus Z to undo the action and Ctrl plus D to deselect. The other tool which we will always use in our project is the quick selection tool. This is to select your objects smoothly, and you can inverse the object by pressing Shift Ctrl plus I as we did, just to prep the unselected parts, and then press delete. You can press Ctrl Z to undo and then Ctrl D to deselect. The other thing that I have to talk about on these objects is that we have to be vigilant on the objects, on what type of the objects we have under the layers panel. So under the layers panel we have layer, can be in a smart or normal object. The smart object cannot be edited directly. Let's try it out. Change this normal layer. This is a normal layer. Let's change it into a smart object, and then we try to edit it. It will say couldn't complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. So this means you can edit it indirectly if it cannot be edited directly. How? Go under the layers panel and then add a mask. It will change. Here it has changed to black because it was an inverse. So let's press Ctrl I to reverse the inverse. So you see that the part that we selected went away. So we can return back to the normal object by right clicking and then go to rasterize. This is just to turn your layer into smart object if it is in a smart object. Then part 5 is for blending mode. Let's add in a layer. Go to blending mode options. So when you go to the darken, you see how the two objects blend together. Let's check on color. This is how it will look. Then just select what is best for you under these options. Still under the blending mode, we have adjustments. Then you can use the curves to adjust the lighting of the image. There are very many options. Let's select the gradient. Select your gradient, then go to color, go to grain, and then this is how it will look. Press and then press OK. When we add the text through using the text tool in the tools panel, then we'll blend the text through the blend mode options. This is the way how it will look. And then part 6, blending options. Select your text, right click, part 6, blending options. Select out the text, right click to find the blending options. You can add the shadow to the text. Tap on it to get the details. You can change the color of the shadow, then adjust the distance, spread and size in accordance to your choice. You can also add in a stroke. Then the stroke that I have in here is makes it appear metallic, as here while I was doing my project I put in white and black just to make it appear metallic. I tried to put in white and black to bring out that expression of metallic, but you can change it into different color. You go to options, select here color, then let's change it to white, and then this is how it will appear. The text will now have a white stroke. Then the last part, which is at part 7, is exporting, which is our last part. Go to file, left click, go to save as, then save on your computer. Name your document, select the location. You can select the location of your preference, then change your format and then press open and now save. The format, leave it large just to stay with your original quality of the object. So if you want to view your document, you can go move to your location where you saved it, and this is how it appears. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in the next video. Please, I'm requesting you to subscribe, like, comment your opinion in the comment section. Press the bell just to be notified when I have another video. Thank you.